Hello, everyone. I'm Kiana with Innovate Client Care Representative, as well as a delivery specialist where I do implementations for GP. I've been using GP for about 20 years now, and I've found a lot of cool things to use that I hope that you all will enjoy. So, what we're going to discuss today is distribution and manufacturing. We're going to understand how to quickly close manufacturing orders so we can prevent unexpected variances. All right, so the next thing that we're going to go to is closing a manufacturing order to prevent variances. So I've noticed over time, clients keep manufacturing orders open after they've hit complete status. So if you are using average costing, FIFO, or even if you're using standard costing, any of the periodic valuation methods, you will notice that you'll get variances. And most of those variances, you don't understand where they come from. One, they come from purchasing. Two, they can come from doing an inventory transaction where the cost of a particular item may have changed. So, to prevent this from happening in a closed or completed manufacturing order, what you want to do is close it as soon as it completes. So, we're going to go into the manufacturing module. And again, there's a couple of ways to get to where I'm going, and I will show you both of those ways. All right. So first thing we're going to do, now I have a toolbar set up here that has all of my manufacturing processes. To get to that, you want to right click on your toolbar, select manufacturing. I'm going to uncheck it so you can see what it does. If you select manufacturing, then you'll see all of these icons. Now you can modify these as well. So if you click on customize, you go to your here in the choose toolbar to modify, excuse me. You choose that drop down and select on manufacturing, and you can move these, add more to them, and that'll give you the toolbar like you see here that I have. Also, if you go straight to your module, you can go into any of your sections here. Okay, so we're going to go to a manufacturing order entry, and we're going to run through the process to close this. I've already moved my inventory into WIP, so at this point, I'm just going to receive the manufacturing order. Now, don't pay attention to my components. I'm just doing this for the sake of time. All right, let's auto generate these serial numbers. Oh goodness. Just do a serial number mass entry. Give me one moment. Create a mask real quick. I'm going to create a quick serial mask. Increment. All right, and auto generate. That's going to be terrible.